Hey Cali gang, welcome back. Alright, I'm going to show you guys how I press my hair out. It's dry, washed, ready to go, and as you can see, sectioned out, so let's get to it. Alright, now I'm taking my John Frieda flat iron. It's on 455. Set that aside, and I grab my Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Serum. It's also a heat protectant. I use very little because it absorbs very quickly, and I'll just show you how I use it.
I just keep having this dream. I keep having these dreams. Having dreams about me and you. I keep having these dreams. Doing things we ain't supposed to do. I keep having these dreams. Having dreams about me and you. I keep having these dreams. Doing things we ain't supposed to do. I was smoking, ooh, it was potent. Daydreaming, visualizing you and me stroking, no joking. Fantasizing you in slow motion, penetrating me with all of the cover, soaking was deep throating. Didn't wanna wake up, I kept closing my eyes, trying to wonder why you were chosen. The emotion felt so real, I could feel it still. You was the deal. If I didn't have to leave, I'd be dreaming still. This shit so bogus. Had me bent all over the burning stuff. My partner messed up, cold as a canister, but not intentionally pulling my hurt and licking me. Yeah, his face all in between my thighs. This dream is interesting, devotion. Smoking, fucking, drinking, we coasted. Heavy breathing got me gripping, squeezing, we posted. It hurt me to the shit we do. I'm thinking, oh shit. And then she bustin' with no cussing. I keep having these dreams. Having dreams about me and you. I keep having these dreams. Doing things we ain't supposed to do. I keep having these dreams. Having dreams about me and you. I keep having these dreams. Doing things we ain't supposed to do. Another night, so like you come into my dreams again. We smoking trees between the sheets and then you squeeze it in. Lips on my neck where I can feel it exhale in my ear. Talking shit to me aggressively like give it hurt. I throw it back, I'm like that, and then she reappears. Took off her jacket and bent over the kitchen chairs. Licking, sucking and kissing, fucking, we into it. Moaning, night to morning, I can feel the fluid rolling. While you holding my hip, she suck my finger. Going and going, I whisper, go deeper. Somehow I can't believe this dream is really into me. I wake up on my sleep, see I done took off having these dreams. Having dreams about me and you. I keep having these dreams. Doing things we ain't supposed to do. I keep having these dreams. Having dreams about me and you. I keep having these dreams. Doing things we ain't supposed to do. Shout out to my weed man, think that I'm a cutie. Always get the play, cause he wanna get the booty. I get lots of hate, nothing under a cupid. He can never do me, he can roll a doobie. Shout out to my weed man, think that I'm a cutie. Always get the play, cause he wanna get the booty. I get lots of hate, nothing under a cupid. He can never do me, he can roll a doobie. Talk a couple L's up while we watch a movie. Lay back in a Benz out, one street in my Gucci. I am not a groupie, always got my own smoke, rolling up that ooey. me, breaking down my own door. Shout out to my weed man, know he keep me blazing. Rolling, reppin' L's like the city I was raised in. Smoking like Jamaican, chronic in the air. I can barely breathe in, smoke all in my hair. Shout out to my weed man, know he always plug me. Never know bullshit with it, OG light and fluffy. I box on with the windows fall, chronic smoking upgrade. We don't do no drugs now, we just keep it buzzing. Shout out to my weed man, think that I'm a cutie. Always get the play, cause he wanna get the booty. I can't let to hate, nothing under a QP. He can never do me, he can roll a doobie. Shout out to my weed man.
Alright, well that's it. Just showed you guys how I press my hair out. It normally isn't this shiny or like heavy oily looking, but I oiled my scalp and the oil dripped down so it came out shiny, but that's okay. It happens at times. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you're notified as to when I post. Please stay safe and blessed, Cali gang. We up in this thing. Bye.
I'm a cutie, always get the play, cause he wanna get the booty. I get lots of hate, nothing under a QP. He can never do me, he can roll a doobie. Shout out to my weed man, know he got that fire, pounds on the highway.